Welcome students, welcome back to the third part of the chapter 1 matter. So the chapter name is chapter 1 matter. So today we'll discuss about melting. First of all, melting means fusion. Fusion, F-U-S-I-O-N, fusion. Okay, what does it mean? When solid is heated, the particles begin to vibrate with greater speed and begin to move freely. Okay, so suppose these are the subatomic particles of a ice cube. We can say ice cube. Okay, what happens of solid? So when it is heated, the particles move very fast from here and there, from here and there, from here and there, and the particles begin to vibrate with a greater speed and begin to move freely than at particular temperature. At particular temperature, it remains like this. Temperature, it remains like this, but as soon as it is heated, after heating, these particles keeps on vibrating. Okay, vibrating. Okay, so that at particular temperature the solids melt and changes into liquid. This process is known as melting, and melting is also known as fusion. Okay, so the definition of melting would be, when a solid is heated, you can write like this: when a solid is heated, the particles begin to move, to vibrate at a greater with a greater speed, than that at normal temperature. Okay, then at and also begins to move more freely. Okay, then at a particular temperature the solid melts and changes into liquid. Then at particular temperature, the solid melts and changes into liquid, This process, or the process of melting, is also known as the process of melting is also known as fusion. Okay, so take a screenshot of this. So I hope you have understood about melting. The temperature at which it melts, when a solid melts, is called its melting point. Now we'll learn about melting point. The temperature at which a solid melts is called its melting point. The melting point of ice is 0 degree, that is 273 Kelvin. The temperature at which a solid melts is called its melting point. Okay, the temperature at which a solid melts is 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin. Now we'll see how to convert degree centigrade into Kelvin and Kelvin into degree centigrade. Okay. Next topic is latent heat of fusion. So take a screenshot and note it down. So the amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of a solid into liquid in atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. The definition is the amount of heat energy that is required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at the atmospheric temperature pressure. It would be pressure is equal to force per unit area. Okay, in physics. So atmospheric pressure at its melting point is known as latent heat of fusion. So with this we end our video here. This was just a short video. Next topic we'll discuss about boiling. Okay, so thank you very much and I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.